Hey there, Greenie Beanies. Marvy here with my old pal Justine the Ladybug. Justine's here to help me introduce the next video. Go ahead, Justine. Ha! Yep, I agree. Justine says that our next video is a lot of fun. Let's check it out.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right, everybody. Can I get a lady? Lady. Can I get a bug? Bug. Lady. Lady. Bug. Bug. Ladybug, ladybug, lady, lady, ladybug. Ladybug, so glad to see ya. Ladybug, you help my plants stay greener. You gobble up the pests like a vacuum cleaner in my garden. Ladybug, won't you please? Ladybug, land on my leaves. Ladybug, you help me grow my veggies when you're in my garden. Ladybug. In wintertime you hibernate and go to sleep. When spring comes, won't you come back to me? Ladybug. It's time to shout. Give me a lady. Lady. Give me a bug. Bug. Lady. Lady. Bug. Bug. Ladybug, ladybug, lady, lady, ladybug. Oh, ladybug, when I see you in my garden, I know that my plants will be healthy. Yeah! Ladybug, you and your kids. Ladybug, you eat aphids. Ladybug, I'm so glad you did come to my garden. Ladybug, I love you, Ladybug.
You were right, Justine. That video was really fun. We'll see you later, Greenie Beanies.